talk about wheels, shall we? We've got quite a few wheels that I've taken off other projects, and the axles I've looked up and read about. The closest out in the world sized wire that you can get is the number 500 or 501 piano wire, also called music wire. It's used quite a bit out in the real world. So I don't have any of that yet. I've got it on order, but I'm trying something else that I saw online, and that is these pins here. So we've got some pins. Try to get some that match the color of the wheels here. So we have a black one here and a white one that doesn't have a pokey. Okay, whatever. Alright, so let's see. Will these fit? Yes, it does. There we go. Now, because we don't really have two heads on there, I mean, that looks pretty good. Another thing I saw involved putting these glass pony beads on. So let's test that out, shall we? As we're under the watchful eye of our skyline here. Alrighty, get the pokey trimmed off of this one. Definitely don't want that to get stuck in the carpet. Alrighty, so here's our makeshift axle, part of a pin, and it definitely fits here. What they did was, we'll test it out with the black one here, but they took these and basically just super glued them. I need a container for this. Super glued them onto the axle. In their case it was a piano wire, so in our case it will be these pony beads. Now we have some super glue here. Oh boy, I can't even grab it now. Alright, here's some of my gardening tweezers. Yeah, much better. Alrighty. Alright, just barely enough there. Right, just kind of caught it. It's just gonna sit there for right now. The other option is to do some kind of crimping on the edge of the axle here. Now, since that is just sitting there, I'm gonna try to reinforce it a little bit just to see what happens. That's all I really need. Alright, just let that sit for a bit. stick our wheel on there. All right, I think that's enough. Okay, that seems to be good. Now let's put the other one on here. Where'd that piece go? There we are. All right. Get a small bit of glue on there. That's it. For another good 5 minutes. I got these at our local Hobby Lobby. They were, as you can see, $3. And the silver one's also $3. At some point I'll probably have the entire rainbow of colors there, but for now just those two are sufficient. Alright, let's test it out here. I think we're good. It's not like I'm going to rip on it, because that's not what we want to do. So there's our first test axle and wheels with the pony beads and a pin. Probably won't be able to use this on anything because it's too small, but it was a good practice. So we'll see more of these types of videos, these like pieces and whatnot, throughout Series 3 here. Alright, we'll just toss that back into the wheel bag and cool. Thanks for watching.